Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is a quick video showing how you could grow a tropical tree in your back garden, front porch, on your balcony, wherever. So this is a Cordyline Australis tree. So one of the important things about this tree, or the main reason why I got this tree, is how low maintenance it is and how slim the stem grows. So it's quite easy to uproot if you're moving house. So you don't really need to own your property if you want to grow a plant like this or a tree like this. You can easily grow them in a plant pot and just move them when you move house. You can easily uproot this from the ground if you wish as well, and you can just leave them honestly at the property because it's quite easy to grow, really. So what I did was I got this from eBay. It came in a small plant pot, a 7cm plant pot. This is not the actual pot it came in. This is just to show, just for illustration purposes. It didn't come in a pot any bigger than this, honestly. It was actually quite smaller than this one. So yeah, and all I had to do was, as following the instructions of the seller, was to get this osmocote fertilizer, which is the plant food. This is a 5 to 6 month osmocote plant food. So all I have to do is apply this to the soil and water the plant every 5 to 6 months. In addition to that, you need to water your plant once a week, which honestly I do forget to do sometimes, and as you can see, the tree is doing just fine. And all you have to do as well is, once the leaves start to dry off at the ends, all you have to do is just trim them off. So if you look at this one here, I will need to trim off this one. I've put the leaves in a bun because it's quite windy out here, so I've just put it in a bun just to hold the leaves nicely. So yeah, all you have to do is just trim off the browning leaves, and that's it, and water your plant once a week. This has been growing for the past 18 months now, and it's quite nice. It's growing quite nicely. I'm going to insert pictures of what these trees will look like in a couple of years down the line. So they do grow quite quick, and they do grow up to about 7 feet, I think they said. Yeah, so I'm going to insert pictures of how well they grow. I think in 5 years, so now it's 18 months, so I think in another 3.5 years it'll be about 7 feet tall. Yeah, which is really interesting to know and quite impressive. So this one here I got way after this 18-month tree here, and as you can see, that is also growing quite nicely. I'll also need to trim off the browning leaves here as well. Yeah, and that's it really. So if you do have any questions, please leave them in the comment section bar below, and I'll be happy to respond to them as soon as I can. Okay, thank you very much.